Ryan and Steve here with Canada Furnace. We've challenged all of our staff this morning to do the ALS challenge. We're going to be donating $50 per staff member that are doing the challenge, and everybody's out this morning. It's something that's important to us. My father-in-law passed away of ALS about 2.5 years ago, and he was a refrigeration mechanic. Did it in his entire life, so it's something that's real important to us. Steve, who are we going to be challenging to do the challenge?
We are challenging Noble in Langley, Emco in Port Coquitlam, and Lennox in Burnaby. You have 24 hours to respond. Go, Brent. Brent, go! Woo! Oh, Jesus! Come on, Brent! Sorry, one more time.
It didn't record. Do it again.
Yeah, that's good news.
Oh, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it wasn't over.